Little Molly lived in a quiet and peaceful town surrounded by nature. Her small wooden house stood near a flowing river, with a tall mountain rising proudly not very far away. Every morning, the sound of birds chirping and the soft breeze through the trees made the place feel magical. Molly was the only child of her parents. They were not rich, but they had enough to live a simple and happy life. Her father worked hard every day, and her mother took care of the home with love. Their house was small, with only one bedroom, a tiny kitchen, and a little sitting area. Outside, there were tall trees, colorful flowers, and a small garden where Molly often played. But Molly was not satisfied. She often looked at her house and felt unhappy. To her, it looked old, small, and not as beautiful as she wished. She dreamed of living in a big, grand house, something that looked like a palace. There was one thing that always caught her attention: the mountain. At the top of the mountain stood an old castle-like house. It looked far away, almost like a dream. But what made it truly special were its windows. Every evening, when the sun began to set, those windows shone like gold. They sparkled so brightly that Molly could not take her eyes off them. "Some day I will live in that house," she would whisper to herself. The golden windows filled her heart with longing. Slowly, she began to dislike her own home even more. She felt that she deserved something better, something grand and shining like those windows. Still, Molly was a kind and understanding girl. She knew her parents worked hard and loved her deeply, so she never complained. She kept her dreams quietly inside her heart. Years passed and Molly grew older. By the age of 12, she had become a beautiful girl with bright eyes and a curious mind. But her dream of the golden windows had only grown stronger. One day, during her school holidays, Molly asked her mother, "Can I go out and explore near the river and garden?" Her mother smiled gently and said, "Yes, but don't go too far and come back before evening." Molly agreed, but deep inside, she had already made a plan. "Today, I will go to the mountain," she thought. "I will finally see the golden windows up close." She took her bicycle and began her journey. The path was not easy. The road became narrow and rocky as she moved closer to the mountain. She had to push her bicycle at some places. The climb was tiring and the sun was hot, but her excitement kept her going. After a long struggle, Molly finally reached the top. Her heart was beating fast. She looked up, expecting to see a beautiful castle with shining golden windows. But what she saw shocked her. The house was not beautiful at all. It was old, broken, and covered in dust. The walls were cracked, and the windows were dark, dirty, and lifeless. There was no shine, no gold, no magic. Tears filled her eyes as she slowly realized the truth. What she had seen from far away was not real. It was only an illusion. The sunlight had reflected on the glass, and made it look golden from a distance. Her dream was not real. Feeling disappointed and tired, Molly sat down quietly. All those years of dreaming suddenly felt empty. Her heart felt heavy. After a while, she slowly turned her head and looked down at her town. And then something amazing happened. She saw her own house, and one of its windows was shining brightly, just like gold. Molly stood up in surprise. She looked carefully. The sunlight was reflecting on the river, and the light was falling on her house window, making it glow beautifully. It looked exactly like the golden windows she had admired for years. At that moment, Molly understood everything. The beauty she was searching for far away had always been right there in her own home. Tears rolled down her cheeks, but this time they were not of sadness, they were of realization. I already have what I was looking for, she said softly. She quickly got on her bicycle and rode back home, this time with a different feeling in her heart. When she reached, she looked at her small wooden house with new eyes. It was not small anymore. It was not ugly anymore. It was her home, full of love, warmth, and happiness. That evening, Molly hugged her parents tightly. She no longer dreamed of the mountain house. She had found her happiness where she already was. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.